We had an awesome time today at John Cave's fly fishing school. I mean, he is such an unbelievable teacher. I fished my whole life and I've never learned how to fly fish, so this was a really, really cool experience.
In Seminole County, your primary targeted species are going to be largemouth bass in a variety of brim and some specks. You want to kind of match the size of the hook on the fly to the fish. Brim are particularly noteworthy of hitting flies on top, and a little small popper works good. When it's cooler or you have a lot of light, the fish will be closer to the bottom and you'll use some variation of a streamer fly. In the wintertime, you'll also want to carry a little type of shad fly, which is usually something very bright. They migrate all the way from Canada to come up here in the St. John's and to spawn, and they're great game fish.
It was really neat to learn about all the different types of fish you can catch here in Seminole County. You know, John walked us through how to catch bass, how to catch brim, crappie, you know, even when the shad run and they come down and do their migration. I mean, I had no idea that you could catch those fish on a fly rod.
In general, here in Seminole County, probably the best all-around line weight to use and rod is a 7-weight outfit. And the rod you want to be somewhere between 8.5 to 9 feet long. It's heavy enough that it will cast rather large flies, but it's light enough that you'll feel even the tension of a very small brim.
I knew nothing about fishing in general, and by the end of the class, apparently I have a really good cast, and that is all thanks to John Cave. It is great for all experience levels. You will definitely learn something by the end of the day.
The fundamental part, the most important part of fly casting is you are going to form a loop. The bottom part of the loop is parallel to the ground. If you draw a straight line with the rod tip, that loop will be parallel to the ground. When you draw the straight line, you want to make sure that you accelerate and not move the rod as fast as you can. Acceleration means you're increasing the speed. You stop, the loop forms.
For more information about booking a class or a private lesson with John Cave, you can find more information on his website at johnbcaveflyfishing.com.
My name's John Cave. I'm owner-operator of Performance Fly Fishing Schools in Black Hammock, Florida. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you at one of our fly fishing schools sometime in the future. Got it?